Hello, beautiful souls. Happy eclipse season. Today is March 25th, 2024, and we just went through the full moon eclipse portal, which I will be looking at today with the cards, seeing, what's going on for us energetically, spiritually, maybe with our health. I'll look into that with the cards. That was today, and then the end of the eclipse season is April 8th. The full solar eclipse, and there's like a lot of fear going around about this season. I really recommend that you put your blinders on with all that stuff. Focus on the things that you want to see in this world, not what other people are projecting into the consciousness or trying to divert your mind and your energy towards. Only focus on the things you want to bring forward to this timeline. You have the power. You are the creator, and you call the shots, basically. So, I've pre-shuffled the cards, and we're going to take a look at what's going on this eclipse season. Okay, so here we go. We have the overall energy is the Two of Pentacles, which is this like yo-yo, up and down, back and forth kind of energy. One day you may be feeling just totally wiped out energetically, needing more rest, more just self-care days. And then the next day you might be feeling super energetic, wanting to get a lot done. We just have to learn how to ride these waves and just go with the flow. So if you need rest, rest. If you have that momentum to get things done, by all means, run with it, okay? So that is like the overall energy for eclipse season. And in the past, we have temperance. So temperance is about finding a balance between extremes. And the triangle on her robe represents the mind, body, spirit connection. So just finding what it is that you want to balance out in your life and have more patience with. And it also has to do with being both in the subconscious realms and conscious realms simultaneously. So maybe things have been coming through more in your dreams, especially with the eclipse season, and just helping to guide you along this path that you want to go along to reach your dreams and goals. The present, we have in the center the Page of Wands, next to the King of Wands, and the Nine of Swords. So what this is telling me is there's like a lot of fiery energy going on, which makes sense. I mean, it's Aries season. Aries rules fire. Also springtime governs the liver energy. So it can make things feel more irritable. You could be losing sleep because of this extra agitation right now. There's this dream you want to pull forward and that you've been considering in the past. Just have this strong passion to manifest this in your life right now. And the energy is, telling you, let's do it, let's conquer, let's begin. The page is about new creative beginnings, but you have these like self-doubts, fears, anxieties, worries, concerns that are just maybe holding you back. But with this fiery energy, it's saying it's, continuing into the future. Momentum and power, it's ready to come through. So no more holding yourself back. Really just going within, seeing what lies you're telling yourself, calling the darkness to light, and seeing, where you are holding yourself back from bringing these dreams, these manifestations in. The Page of Cups is like an emotional surprise. It's something within the subconscious as well as just a joyful, heartfelt passion you want to bring forward. So yeah, it's like a balance between fire and water, the heart and the mind. So the advice with the Page of Cups and the Judgment is to be more lighthearted with yourself and don't take everything so seriously. Bring them to the light, call them out for what they are, so you can begin to move forward with more passion, more clarity, less weight holding you down. I just wanted to get more clarity on that Eight of Wands in the future, see what that's all about. What is this fast and furious energy that's wanting to come through for us? Okay. Oh. So we have the Death card and the Page of Pentacles. Notice they're both riding a horse, black and white, the unconscious and the conscious, the spiritual and the earthly realms. So there's a part of you that needs to die off to usher in this new earth energy. What is it that needs to clear? Maybe relationships, habits, any negativities that are just keeping you down, pulling you back. You know, it could be old relationships or people in your life that are naysayers of your dreams and your visions for the future. This is something you've been working on for a long time, that you've been dedicated towards, that just, you know, you're committed to it. So that is what the Eight of Wands wants to burn off, basically. I would recommend sage to really clear that out. I would recommend working with phantom quartz just to root out those deeper subconscious withheld emotions, breaking those ties, clearing out past traumas, and helping you move into a brighter future. Hopefully this resonated with you. If it did, please leave a comment below, like, share, subscribe, and we'll do this again. All right, hang in there, everyone. All my love your way.